Welcome to Deys CookBook. Let us see how a quick restaurant-style chicken fried rice can be prepared. In a pot kept over low flame, heat 1.5 tablespoon oil. Into this, add 2 beaten eggs, scramble nicely and remove from the pot. Again, heat 2 tablespoon oil. Into this, add 2 tablespoon grated garlic and saute for 30 seconds. Add in 200 grams of boneless chicken shredded and saute for 3 minutes. Mix half teaspoon pepper powder and 1 tablespoon soy sauce also. Then add in 1 handful cabbage, 1 handful carrot, 1 handful capsicum and saute for 2 more minutes. Now we need to add 1 tablespoon sugar and half teaspoon salt to this. Give it a nice mix. Then add about 500 grams of cooked rice and mix well. You can even use leftover rice from last day. Add in half teaspoon pepper powder, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar and combine well. Mix the scrambled eggs with this rice. Add and mix 2 tablespoons chopped coriander leaves after turning off the flame. Restaurant style chicken fried rice is ready. Hope you will try this recipe. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.